Welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the serial number on your ARLO Pro 5 camera. There are two places where the security number is visible. First is inside the app. You can go into Devices, then tap on the camera of your choosing on the Settings icon. Here, tap on the top option, and you'll see the serial number right here. Another place you may find the serial number is on the device itself. Pop up the casing by pressing in this button until it pops out. Then use your fingers to pull it out. Then the serial number will be visible under the battery right here. As you can see, it's the same number as here. Then you want to put the battery back in and put the housing back on. Make sure that this aligns with the bottom. Then press it back in, although it may require some force. And that's it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.